Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest gardening tools on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gardening tools of all time. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name: Breeze Touch 39-inch Weed Pulling Tool. The Breeze Touch 39-inch Weed Pulling Tool is a versatile and robust garden tool designed to simplify the process of removing weeds from lawns, yards, and gardens. This heavy-duty weeder features a 3-claw detachable design that allows for precise and effective weed removal, targeting stubborn plants like crabgrass and dandelions. The tool's 39-inch long handle enables users to work in a standing position, reducing the need for bending or kneeling, thus minimizing strain on the back and knees. Ideal for maintaining a pristine garden or lawn, the Breeze Touch Weed Puller is designed for durability and ease of use. The tool's claws grip the weed from the roots, ensuring a thorough removal without leaving remnants behind. Whether you're tackling a large yard or just a small patch of garden, this weeding tool offers a convenient and efficient solution for keeping your outdoor spaces free from unwanted vegetation. Product 2. Product name: Hori Hori Garden Knife. The Hori Hori Garden Knife is a versatile gardening tool designed for various tasks such as weeding, planting, and digging. It features a 7-inch stainless steel blade with a sharp cutting edge, making it ideal for precision work in the garden. The knife's full-tang construction ensures durability, while the wood handle provides a comfortable grip. Additionally, the handle includes a hanging hole for easy storage. This tool comes with a sheath, offering protection and convenient carrying. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting, the Hori Hori Garden Knife is a reliable addition to your gardening toolkit, combining functionality with traditional design. Product 3. Product name: House & Garten Bypass Pruning Shears. The House & Garten Classic Pro 8.5-inch Professional Premium Titanium Bypass Pruning Shears are a high-quality tool designed for serious gardeners and professionals. These heavy-duty handheld pruning shears are crafted with precision and durability in mind, making them ideal for a variety of gardening tasks, from trimming delicate plants to cutting through thicker branches. The shears feature premium titanium-coated blades, which offer exceptional sharpness and resistance to corrosion, ensuring they maintain their cutting edge over time. The bypass design of the shears allows for clean, precise cuts that are less damaging to plants, promoting healthy growth. The ergonomic handle is designed to provide comfort during extended use, reducing hand strain and making it easier to tackle tough pruning jobs. The House & Garten Classic Pro shears are versatile, serving as pruners, garden shears, and general clippers, making them an essential tool for anyone serious about maintaining their garden. Product 4. Product name: Walensee Grass Whip. The Walensee Grass Whip is a versatile and efficient tool designed for cutting tall grass and overgrown weeds in various outdoor settings, such as yards, fields, and ditches. This grass whip features a double-edged serrated sharp steel blade, allowing it to easily slice through thick vegetation with minimal effort. The 22-inch handle is equipped with a soft rubber grip, ensuring comfort and reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The tool is ideal for maintaining large areas where traditional lawnmowers might struggle, offering an effective solution for keeping your outdoor spaces tidy. The black finish adds durability and a sleek appearance, making it a reliable addition to any gardening or landscaping toolkit. Product 5. Product name: Walensee Lawn Aerator Spike. The Walensee Lawn Aerator Spike is a high-quality garden tool designed to enhance lawn health by improving soil aeration. This manual aerator features a robust metal construction with 15 iron spikes, making it ideal for debt hatching and aerating soil in your yard or garden. The tool comes pre-assembled for convenience, allowing you to start using it right away without any additional setup. By puncturing the soil with its iron spikes, the Walensee Lawn Aerator Spike facilitates better water, air, and nutrient penetration into the roots of the grass. This process revitalizes your lawn, leading to greener, healthier grass. The tool is particularly beneficial for areas with compacted soil, as it helps to loosen the earth, promoting root growth and enhancing the overall resilience of the lawn. The Walensee Lawn Aerator Spike is also patented, ensuring a unique design that optimizes its performance and durability. Whether you're looking to maintain your lawn's health or revive a struggling yard, this aerator provides an efficient, eco-friendly solution. Product 6. Product name Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears. The Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears are a top choice for gardeners and plant enthusiasts, offering precise and efficient cutting with their sharp, precision-ground steel blades. These shears are designed for trimming and shaping plants, making them an essential tool for maintaining healthy growth in gardens. The May 8th cutting capacity allows for clean cuts on stems and small branches, reducing the risk of plant damage and promoting faster healing. The ergonomic design of these garden clippers ensures comfortable use, even during extended periods of pruning, while the durable construction promises long-lasting performance. Fiskars' reputation for quality tools is evident in these pruning shears, making them a reliable choice for both casual gardeners and professionals alike. Product 7. Product name the Keinup Garden Tools 7-Piece Set. The Keinup Garden Tools 7-Piece Set is a comprehensive collection of gardening hand tools designed for both beginner and experienced gardeners. This set includes tools made from rust-proof stainless steel and aluminum alloy, ensuring durability and longevity even under regular use. Each tool is crafted to assist with various gardening tasks, such as digging, weeding, and pruning, making it a versatile choice for maintaining a garden. Given your interest in household tools and appliances, the Keinup Garden Tools set aligns well with your preference for durable and efficient products. The rust-proof feature, along with the use of high-quality materials, ensures that these tools can withstand outdoor conditions without compromising their functionality. Additionally, the set's ergonomic design adds to the comfort and ease of use, making it an ideal gift for gardening enthusiasts.